You can also generate this kind of unlimited free videos and shorts from the text. So let's explore this AI tool. So firstly, we'll have to come to this website, morphstudio.com. Then click on join beta in Discord. If you don't know what is Discord, so I'll give the link in the description. I have also made the previous video and I have shown how to make account on Discord. So I'll give the link in the description. Click join beta in Discord. Then you will have to accept invitation. Then this kind of interface will come. Here you will have to come Morph Studio. Click on that. There will become so many video generator. So you will have to join any one. Suppose I want video generation 2. Here you will have to write /video. Click on that video and here you will have to give the prompt. So just I given the prompt and just click enter. So you will have to wait for 1 minute. So let's fast forward.
A few minutes later.
See, after 1 minute the video is ready and just download it from here. And here is the result. And you will be able to generate unlimited free videos. And all the videos are in high quality. So this is unbelievable. And even you can generate shorts or all sizes of videos. So let me show you how you will be able to generate shorts. So again, you will have to come here, /video. Click on that video, give the prompt. I given the prompt. Now you'll have to give some more prompt. -AR a space 9:6. You can give any size you want, 1x1, 16:9, 9:6. So I'm generating shorts. So this is the size of shorts, 19:16. And just click enter and wait for 1 minute. And see, the video is ready, guys. You can simply download it from here. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all of us.